Good morning to you. We're watching here still the remnants of Tropical Storm Nicholas. The storm itself still located right over downtown Houston, so you'd think to yourself, some of the worst conditions are probably right around the corner. Not the case here. This storm is significantly sheared, meaning all of the convection, all the wind, all the rain, most of it at least, is pushed off, dislocated from the center well off to the east, and most of it's now ending up in Louisiana, where they're looking at a significant flash flooding event coming up their way. Here's the latest update, 10 a.m., and that plots it right over Brookside Village, the center of Nicholas. If you were out there, you wouldn't really know the difference. Winds maybe are a little bit calmer than what you'd find around, and we're seeing a little bit of some wind gust activity around it, but it is nowhere close to being as strong as it was when it moved on through earlier. It made it up to a Category 1 hurricane. Here's a look if we go back 12 hours with some wind gusts plotted on it, and Pearland got up to a 60-mile-an-hour gust. Galveston, we saw well over 60. Sugarland, 55, 60-mile-an-hour gusts, too. And a lot of those heaviest wind gusts were in the heaviest rain bands, too, that helped to force the heavy rain, force the gusts down to the surface there. But since, they've really improved. There's another look at how it looks on satellite imagery. And a better picture here is on infrared satellite. And this shows the picture pretty much of how sheared it is, because you see all the convection of where the system is located here over Houston, but well to the east. All of the convection significantly displaced from the actual center there. Recent radar loop shows a few lingering showers. In fact, right out here in downtown Houston, we do have a few sprinkles lingering. Nothing significant. This is not going to enhance any flooding issues we saw. It's very, very light. Winds overall, too, sustained 10 to 20 miles an hour. Certainly breezy, and some higher gusts are still in there. 31 at Beaumont, 32 miles an hour at Tomball, and 28 out in Conroe, about a half of as strong as they were earlier. Now, the 7-day forecast do show improving conditions, not only today, but through the rest of the week. Temperatures staying in the upper 80s, close to average for the middle of September. And then we enter a period where we just see an average risk for isolated showers and storms each afternoon as humidity returns to the area as well.